Curiosity may bring someone into financial education, but lasting progress comes from using a repeatable research method. GrandZenPeak combines educational resources, analytical tools, and professional expertise to help learners turn broad ambition into practical capability. The process begins with one focused question. Instead of trying to understand an entire market at once, a learner may examine why volatility changed, how an economic report affected expectations, or whether price structure remained consistent across several time frames. The next step is gathering relevant evidence. Charts show price behavior, economic calendars organize scheduled events, and analytical tools help compare conditions. Expert guidance adds context by explaining how these details may connect. A conclusion should then be written in simple language. What was observed? Which evidence supported the interpretation? What new information could change it? The final stage is review. Comparing the original idea with later market behavior helps identify what became clearer and what requires further study. GrandZenPeak turns ambition into achievement through focused learning, practical research, and continuous improvement. Every well-defined question, completed analysis, and thoughtful review moves a learner's vision closer to measurable progress.